afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so we were doing Google Ads.
So, can you upload previous recorded lectures?
Yeah, I'll do that today. Okay. Okay, so we had done sales campaign last time. Okay, so today we will again start with a new campaign. We will start with sales and display. So in this, say we have smart display campaign, but say like I said that we will not use smart display campaign because it will capture everything automatically from the website or the landing page. But the best option would be standard display campaign, because over here we can target as per our requirement, and we can pick up our settings that we require. And say Gmail campaign is we can show interactive ads to people as they browse their email. So the first two emails would be ads. So if we want that, we can select Gmail also. So that's not a problem. So over here we will select standard display campaign, and over here we can provide our website URL. So I will provide the store URL or the website URL. Okay, so I'll provide this URL, and I can say continue. Okay, so now the campaign is sales display, and for the website Helpopedia. And now we will select the location. So we enter the location. So I would select Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. I'll select these two options. However, we can select whatever we want. So I'll select these two locations, and then languages, I'll select all languages. And it is say done as conversion. So conversion or conversion value. Other optimization option is viewable impressions. So if I select this conversion, then it will optimize for conversion of website, and this is for conversion of value, a particular value of product, like I discussed last time, that if I want to target a particular product of say whatever amount it is, so I will get to know that how many sales are occurring for that particular product. And over here viewable impression. So viewable impression is say like the banners would be displayed on the website, and every time somebody sees that banner at that point of time, that impression is counted. And or else say 50% of your ad or more for 1 second. So if they see the ad for one
And if
second
we just keep
yeah, if we
and if
just
we just keep conversions means
conversion means say it will consider everything whatever it is. So whatever we have selected, it can be a page view, it can be sales, it can be clicks, everything whatever we had added in conversion, it will take up. And over here if I select say set target cost per action, then I need to manually enter. See over here, typical target cost per action for display campaign is 380 rupees. So I mean this is too high. I mean in 380 rupees I'm just getting one conversion, so this is too high. So I'll just uncheck this option. So this will maximize conversion. So I mean we just need to know that 380 rupees is going on for this campaign. So that is what we need to know. uh, so then what
no,
is the
basically
average
what
we
is
want to
conversion?
spend?
Actually, I forgot conversion and conversion value.
Conversion is say a person is coming for the first time on the website, so he is called as visitor. Now say if I'm selling all the courses over here on my website, so now he purchases any of this course, so he has converted, so from say visitor to customer, so that is called as conversion. So that is one type of conversion. Then second type, say if I say that I have newsletter on my website, so say he is coming and he is subscribing to the newsletters, so he is again called as conversion, because now he is become a subscriber. Or else say he has viewed a page that I wanted people to view, so that is also called as conversion. So conversion is any action that we want them to do, so whatever action we want to take place, so that is called as conversion. And conversion value is, say like I'm putting this conversion value that okay, I want to know what is the sales of this particular product, so then the product value is 58,500, so I will put that okay, conversion of this particular product, so I can track that how many people have purchased this product, so that is called as conversion, because over there I have to add a value of 58,500, so all the products worth of 58,500 will be shown that okay, this many products have been sold, so that is called as conversion value. So that is
Okay.
conversion value. And and impression is just say like I see the ad or display ad, so over here say if I go to this blogs, and I open any blog and I see an ad, so I just click on this particular blog and over here say this ad has come up, so now one impression has done on this particular ad, so this is called as one conversion, this is called as impression. So one impression is done. So now if I go to any other blog, say over here this is the another blog, so now say this ad has come up, so one impression for this particular blog has been done. So I close this, and then I come over here on this page, and if there are any ads on this page, then one conversion for that particular ad will also be done. So that is called as impressions. So that is conversion whatever we want. So I mean over here we want impressions or we want conversions, so that is what it is. So this is just seeing an ad, that is viewable impression. So whenever we open a page of any website, that is called as one impression. Now I go to second page, then that is second impression. I go to third page, then that is the third impression. Now if that page has any ad, then that ad has got one impression, that is called as impression. So that is what is difference between conversion and impressions. So in conversions we want people to take action, and in impression we want to make people see those page. Over there also they are taking some action and going on that page, so that is conversion and impressions. And over here set target cost per action, this is manually. If I want to manually set the cost, then I can set the cost. The current cost is 380 rupees, so that is what I want. Or else say I can say select manually that okay, Google will optimize it for me automatically. If the cost is going down, then my lower cost will be calculated. If the cost is going high, then higher cost will be calculated, so that much amount will get deducted from my account. So that is what it is. So then I will select what is the average I want to spend each day. So I would say 500 rupees I want to spend. Then I need to write the name of the ad group, so ad group name also will be the same thing that we had added for the campaign. So we can distinguish between different ads. And now over here I need to select my audiences, so which type of audiences I want, so that all audiences I can provide. Now what happens if I do not select any audience? So if I do not select any audience, it will go to everybody who is on say Google Ads, and whoever are browsing those kind of pages so related to my campaign, then my ads will be shown to them. So even if I don't want to select any target audience, it is fine because it will go to everyone. But over there I will not have any choice that I want my ad to be shown to a particular kind of people. So that is the reason we select our target audience, that say it should not go to anybody irrelevant people should not see the ad, because I will be wasting my money over there. So I will select say business education, and education, no, not jobs. Okay, business technology, social media enthusiastic, then internships or say digital marketing courses, then say on-site training courses, then information technology courses, online leadership management, no, business management courses, no, online courses, yes, online classes, yes, developer training courses, leadership certificates, no, all visitors. So these are the say I have selected these type of say people who I want to target. So these are the people. So these are the different categories. So I have selected 9 different categories to whom my ads will go. So all the people who are looking for online courses or online classes or developer training courses or say on-site training courses or digital marketing courses, my ads will be shown to them. So these are the different category of people, and then I need to select my demographics. So over here now we can see a different chart which were not shown previously. In the previous ad it was not shown, so some changes here and there would be there, but I mean it is self-explanatory that whom I want to show my ad, male, female, unknown, or the age group of 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44. So I can uncheck the other options, so I can save money. So my ad will go only from 18 to 44 age of people. Then whether they are parent or not parent, so that doesn't matter because anybody can do the course, so that is fine. And household income say it is still available in selected countries, but since it is provided, we are selecting all of them. So top 10% is the richest person, and the lower one is the poor people. So over here say rich or poor doesn't matter, say all of them can do the course, so we can select all of them by default, so that is okay, so that is not a problem. So I'll select done. Then this is the selected one, whatever we have selected it has come up over here. So 18 to 24 years of age and plus two other parameters we have selected. Now over here target expansion, we get then option that we can maximize the target of option. So we should drag this progress bar, this pointer to the highest maximum, so we can reach this. And on the right hand side say we can see the estimate of whatever we are adding, we are seeing on the right hand side. See, based on your targeting settings and daily budget of rupees 500, we can expect a minimum of 1900 clicks to 7200 clicks. Conversion is unavailable and average cost per action is unavailable because say that will be dependent. Once the ad will start, we will get to know that what type of audiences people are coming to our ad. So now over here we have to create our ad. So now what we need to do is see over here, this is the final URL. So in final URL I can provide the URL of my store where I want people to go and purchase the product. So I will select this as my final URL, and see that triangle was there previously over here. That is because we require to make sure that HTTPS is mentioned, so I need to, so once this HTTPS come, so that triangle has gone, so that warning
Okay,
has
so I
gone.
had one
And now
doubt.
I need, yeah,
Yeah, so initially when we start a new campaign, at that time we put our website. So now consider I don't have a
right,
website, but I have a URL. I have India Mart. I'm selling my products on India Mart.
right,
And I want to promote that product or that page of where my products are there on India Mart. So
right,
initially, then I don't have a website. I have a Google Gmail ID, but I don't have a website.
right.
I can put that link initially where you had put your website.
Yes, yes. Whatever say URL you want to put, you can put wherever you want, wherever you want people to go. That is the URL, target URL, final URL, where people will go and interact with your ad. So it is not that I need to have a website for doing this. So over here, even if I put India Mart URL, that is fine.
No, no,
Whatever
not here, not
URL I
here.
have.
Initially when we start where you had put your website. There I'm
Yeah, yeah. So I mean, yeah, yeah. See that URL you will put. So I mean that see that the same URL came over here automatically. So I mean I can change that URL anytime. So over there also you can put India Mart. If you don't have a website, you can put that India Mart, your page, your portfolio URL you can put over there, and over here also you can use the same URL where you want to, because
okay.
initially what yeah, what people over here, this what is ad is asking is the place where you want to redirect your people. So that is not a problem. So I mean over here I can even provide my blog URL, so even that is fine, so that is not an issue. So I have put my URL that when people will click on the my banner at that point of time, it will go to it will take them to this particular URL. Now I need to add images and logos. See over here you can see images, headlines and descriptions I need to add. Once it is done, then this circle will get completed, and this all images, headlines and description, all these circles will also get filled. So let us see how it gets filled. So I will select that, okay, what are the images that I want. So I'll use this image, and this image I will select 1:1, so because it is square. So this image I have selected, then I can select this URL, this also I will select 1:1 because it is square. I can select this URL also, this is 1:9, so I can select this. I'll not select 1:1 because it is a rectangle, so this is what I'll select. So this is an image, so this image I will select as an logo. So here see logo is selected, and then I can select ratio. So this is done. Now so if any other images I want, I can use this. So let me select this image over here. So okay, I will select this image, and I'll select this one, this much, so I can adjust the image also up till where I want. So this is fine. So this is what I've selected, 1:9 and 1:1, so that is fine. So this is done, and then if I still want more, I can use this image. So I will use this image 1:9. So these two images I have selected, and I'll click on save. So there is an error in your selected images, please remove the image error before saving. Okay, so I'm not sure where did I get an error. So over here I'll uncheck this option. Okay, so this is selected, yeah, and select. So this is done, so let me save. So still one more error is there for one of the selected images, so I'll uncheck this option also, don't use image. Okay, so now let me see. So there could be some errors in the images. So your assets, this is used, this is used. So see this image has errors. So I mean I can just click cross on that, and it's done, and I'll click on save. So now over here you can see the images over here. So still it is not filled up, I need to use more images, so then this circle will be filled. So I just need to still add some more images. So recently used images I can use. So recently used means the in my previous ads whenever I had used any images, so those will get stored over here so that I can use. Okay. I did not use these images previously. Okay, this image I can use. Okay, then I can use this image also. Then I can use this image also. Okay, and maybe this image also. Okay, then this image, then this image also. Okay, then I'll click on save. So see, now you can see there is a tick mark on images, so it is filled. So this is what it is. Now I need to add headlines and description. So see over here I have videos also. So if I want to add videos, then I can add videos also. So if I want, I can add videos. So over here, search YouTube or recently used or your assets. So here I can select whatever I want. So I can use this video, then I can use this video. So two videos are there. I can even use this video. So I'll uncheck one of the videos. So two videos are done. Okay, so fine. So I'll click on save. So up to 5 I can use, but it's optional, so I am using 3 of them. So now I need to select 5 headlines. So here there is first headline, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. So 5 headlines. So now why do we need 5 headlines and over here 5 descriptions? So that is because, say, it will shuffle each headline with different description and it will create multiple ads from one ad that we are putting. So then it will be very easy for Google to, say, optimize the ads which are performing. So that is what we are doing. So now whatever we add, it will come up over here. See, now it is showing different types of ads. So now I need to add the headlines. So I'll just open my text file where I have prepared all the content. Okay, so this is ads content. Yeah, so what I can do is masters and apply digital marketing. So this is the first headline. Okay, so this is exceeding, so I'll just write masters in digital marketing. Then over here I can write best digital marketing courses. Then third one I can write diploma in digital marketing. Then I can write e-commerce plus digital marketing. Okay, then one more headline I can write mm, okay, I need to just see what more I can use. mm, okay. Learn to manage your brand presence online professionally. Okay, okay, this is too long. Okay, still this is more. Okay, so then I can just use something small. Digital marketing. Okay, so this is okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 headlines will come. So now you can see over here it is coming, or the headlines whatever I am adding, it will shuffle. See, every time it is different. Diploma in digital marketing. So now it will change. See, digital marketing in 30 modules. So here whatever is best performing, it will take. So diploma in digital marketing, so that is coming up. So every time some different heading will come. See, best digital marketing courses. So depending on what headlines we have used, so it will keep on shuffling. So now I need to write a long headline, so that is 90 characters. So here I can just use something like mm, okay,
This is an ad for the app.
yeah. No, this is not for the app. This is for say sales and display campaign.
Okay, yes. Last lecture we just did
So
sales
we are,
campaign and today this is sales and display.
yes, the last time it was sales search. So this time it is sales
Okay,
and
okay.
display. So I will be showing you two ads in each campaign, so you will get to know. Okay, so learn SEO. So this is okay. So excellent opportunity to kickstart your career with, okay, or else. Okay, so learn SEO, SMM, this all things. Okay, so this is fine. So now I need to write 5 description. So 5 descriptions I'll write. Excellent opportunity to kickstart your digital careers. Digital career with in digital marketing. Okay, so now the second opportunity, second thing. Okay, so this has exceeded. Okay, then so this is third description, then fourth description. Okay, okay, without any programming in our digital marketing course. Okay, so I need to remove two characters. mm, Learn to create your learn to create an own Android app without any programming in our digital marketing course. Okay, so now one more headline description we require. Okay, free resources for creating your own marketing material like blogs, images, posts. Okay, so I mean that is fine. mm, 100% career oriented digital marketing courses with 80% practicals and 20% theory. I think this will also be large. Okay, it's done. Okay, and now then the business name. So you need to add a business name. So if you don't have a business name, you can write your own name. Then additional format options, so select all options and optimize your ads reach and performance. So use asset enhancements, use auto generated videos, so that will Google will take care of from the all the videos that we have used. URL options, so tracking template we are not using. More options, call to action text, so this is what we can use, call to action text. And say we can use custom colors also if we want. So I mean we are not using any colors. So here call to action I can say like contact us or book now, or say get learn more. So this would be good option, learn more, or apply now or book now. So whatever is used we can use this learn more. So that is what we can use. And then I can say create campaign. So now it is creating the campaign. See over there we had a lot of things, say like we had a campaign, then we have ad groups and everything. So here we just have create your campaign and confirmation. So this is what, so now everything is whatever we have selected has come up over here, and then continue to campaign. That's it. So now it is done. So now you can see sales display helpopedia is done, eligible. And once it is going for review, then at that point of time, then once it is approved, the ad will start. So all the ads will go into review. So here I can just click on my ad, and now say this is the sales display that we have selected. So now what we can do is how the ads will look like. So if I just want to see, I can just select, and okay, over here there's no preview, so I can just click on my ad and I can see the preview. So this is the URL, so I'll just copy this URL, and over here say you can see the ad. So different types of ad formats will be seen. See over here the video will also be seen like this, and our ads will appear like this on the website. So now right now you can see on my blog, you can see similar kinds of ads are there. So whenever you go to any of the blog, okay, right now I'm not able to see on certain blogs, it's not there. So let me see another blog. Okay. Okay, fine. So right now it has not been seen. So I mean, say you just saw the blog, the ads which were there on my website. So sometimes it comes up, sometimes it doesn't come up. So like this, my ad will come up on different websites, and say Google it will come up, in YouTube it will come up. So like this, all my ads will come up. And say the other formats want to test, we had copied the URL, so paste and go. So here we will see the preview URL. So here we will see more ads on different devices. So this is website and ads, it will look like this. So yeah, so this is how our ad will come. See e-commerce, so we are close, and we had selected a button learn more, so that learn more is there. So this is how it will look. Say different types of ads will come up. And see over here, this is the description, so that all description will keep on changing every time. See image has changed, the text this is changed, the heading has changed, and the description has changed. See, so like this, different ads will come up. So this is what is seen. So this is on website and apps, and this is on Google properties, so that will be on YouTube and Gmail. So here you can see it will come up like this. So once say this is in the Gmail, so once it is closed, at that point of time you will see different thing. And this is YouTube. On YouTube your ads will be displayed like this. You can see this, or below the video it will come up. This is closed, this is open. Okay, yeah, so like this the ad will come up. So this is the type of ads, our ads will be shown like this. So if we want to put our ads, then we can use these types of ads. So this is, yes, so like this we can create various campaigns. So right now we have created sales and say sales display, and previously we had selected sales search. So the remaining you can create, and you can check the moreover all the options are same over there. And yeah, I'll just go to all campaigns. Yeah, so those are the things that we had selected. So over here, yeah, so now we will create one more campaign, load new. So we have already done sales, and say we have done search and display. So these two we have done. So you can try 1 2 3 4, I mean, you if you want you can try this. So just small changes would be there. So I mean, shopping you can leave, because say shopping requires you, for this you require an e-commerce website. So I mean, this ad cannot be done. This is only for the people who are having shopping ads. So last time we had seen all the Amazon, Flipkart ads were there, so those were e-commerce websites, so that you can do over here. And videos, you just need to add the URL of the YouTube video which you want to promote. So smart ad will take all the content automatically from the our website, and it will show up automatically. And then discovery ads, so discovery ads will also be same like display ad that we just created. The only the placement would be different. Over here it would be on YouTube, Gmail, and YouTube discover ads would be there. So that would be similar to display ads. So that is the difference. We just need to know that what are the different parameters it is coming. See, once you do say 1 or 2 ads you do, then the rest of the ads you can do on your own. Once you practice, you will get to know. See, now over here we are doing leads. Leads is one of the most successful ads that people want to run, because say over here you are getting prospects who are interested in your business. So it could be like, say, if I'm running a digital marketing institute, so I want students. So if I'm promoting digital marketing courses, then people will come and show interest. So I will get their say name, email address and mobile number, and in what courses they are interested, I can get that information. So that is leads. So I will get leads for my business. So we will start with leads and search ads. So you can generate custom leads with text or call ads that show near search results of google.com, on Google search, partners sites and more. So let's start with this. So now, say over here we have ways to reach your goals. So we can have a website visit, we can have phone calls, we can have store visits, we can have app downloads. But over here we are not going to select all of them. We can just select say phone call, or say the best thing is lead generation form submission. That is what is more important. Even phone call is not important. I mean, if we want, we can provide a phone call. I can just select that so that I can directly get a lead. So that is what we can do. So yes, 98679. Okay, so I have done this. So lead generation form that will be creating. So add lead form on the next step. Okay, so now I click on continue. So now I need to provide a lead search form. So over here I can provide say I can just tell them that okay, this campaign is about digital marketing courses. Okay, and then search network and display network, both of them are fine. Then show more settings. So what is the start date and end date I need to provide? So I'll provide the start date as tomorrow's date, and I'll select end date as 30th of November. And then campaign URL options. So this is not, I do not want that. Then dynamic search ads, I again do not want this, because it will automatically take all of the information. See, it will use Google's index of my website. So whatever information is stored in Google's index, that is when the Google bots came to collect all the information from my website, which we had learned in search engine optimization. So only that information will be taken. So I don't want that information. I want to promote other pages of my website, a particular page of my website. So I want that, or else use URLs from my page feed only. So I mean, I don't want this, so I will not use this. And use URLs from both Google index and my website. So yes, I mean, you can use this also, and you can use this also, but over here these two are disabled, so I cannot use this. So, and I don't want information from Google index, because I want say information that I want to provide. So this is not what we are going to use. Then add schedule all the time. So all days, all the time. So I can just say that okay, all days, and I can say that from morning 7 o'clock, or say yeah, morning 7 o'clock, say till night time I want the ads to be seen. So that is 23:15, or say even little more, I want 23:45. Okay, so up till 12 o'clock I want. So this is what I can do. So if I want to add some more, then I can click on add. So I can add other days also. Then enter location. So I can select whatever location I want. So this time I can select 2 states, say like Maharashtra, and I want to select Gujarat. So these 2 states I want. And then enter location options. So people in or who show interest, or people in or regularly interested, or people searching. So this is one which is recommended by Google, so this is what we should use. And exclude people from which we have excluded over here. So that is what is recommended. So that is what we have selected as location options. And then enter language, so all the languages, so that is not a problem. And then we need to add the audience over here. So audience, we can select what type of audience we want. So over here we can select whatever audience we want. So last time whatever we have selected. So usually depending on what say every time we use, so that we can use this over here. Because say if we are promoting our courses to a particular type of people, so for that particular product, say always the target audience will remain the same, so that we can use. Okay, current college going students. Then all purchases, all Google visit, all visitors, Google Analytics. Okay, so this is what we have selected over here. Okay, yeah, business education we can select, and then average that we want to spend each day, so 500 rupees, and applied from shared library. If I select, then it will be same amount for all the ads, but I don't want to apply from the shared library, because what happens is that for some ads I need more money to promote, and some ads I require less money, so I will put individual amount. And then again over here I want, what I want is, say focus on conversions, so conversion value or clicks or impression share. So over here I will select conversion, that will be all of them. So that is what over here. If I select cost per action, then over here say, okay, the minimum amount is not mentioned, so wherever applicable it will show. So right now it will maximize the conversion. So now over here site link, so this is what we had done in the first ad, that is search, the sales and search. So here also we can use this. So what are the different site links that we want? Say I can use course enquiry, or say digital marketing blogs, get best offers, visit our store, and visit website, so that also we can use. So I mean I can select all of them, so it will any which way is going to shuffle the site link extensions, so that is okay. Then call out extensions, if I want, call now, contact for best offers, get discount coupons, that all things we can use. So over here discount coupons I can use, and contact for best offers, and call now. So that is what we can use. And over here call extension, it will go to this particular number, so that we have selected. And for lead generation, lead form extensions, so over here I can have this one lead form. So this is the form which we have already selected. So if I want to preview, I can just preview. So over here the form, lead form, I can just see this is the lead form. So over here master's program in digital marketing with 25 modules and international certifications. So here whatever description that we have given, it will come up, and it will collect the full name, email address, phone number and postal code of the students who are interested in our courses. So this is the form that we have created. And then the submission message, so thank you message will come up. It's like this: message sent, and thank you for showing interest in digital marketing courses. One of our team members will contact you shortly with more information. Meanwhile, you can download our app and explore digital blogs. So this is what we have done, and we have given a button visit website. So this is how we can use it. So I mean this is what we can create. So if you want to create a new lead generation form, then I will just show you how to create it. So this is say the first one second. Yeah, so over here on the left hand side I can create my extension. One sec, I'll just click where I want to create a new call out. No, not call out, I want to create a new lead form. So if you want to create a new form, then I can, from where you can collect the data. So you will click on that form, then over here you can select the call to action that you want: apply now, book now, contact us, learn more, or get code, get offer you can use. So here whatever button is there, so that we can use. So here I can select get offer, so you can use this, or say you can see, you can say book now or apply now. So this is what you can use. Learn more, I mean okay, learn more is also okay. And say you can see apply now, that option is also good. And then over here you can write whatever text you want. So text could be like anything: get best offer for digital. Okay, the space is not enough, I can just use get best offers. get best offers this Diwali. Okay, and then lead form headline. So over here headline we have selected, so over here I can just provide a headline, say like okay, and then okay, business name is coming up over here, so I can provide this. So I'll just cut this and paste it over here, and over here I can provide masters in applied digital marketing. Okay, so this is the okay, so this is applied. I need to remove masters in digital marketing. Then over here description of 200 characters, so that is a good option wherein I can provide more content to people. uh, okay, excellent opportunity to kickstart your characters. Okay, covering 200 modules. Okay, so this is what I was okay, so this is 235. Okay, so I need to remove 35 characters. etc. Okay, still 25 characters I need to remove. Okay, still 2 characters. Okay, fine, I'll remove etc. So now it is done. So this is what I can use. So that content has come up over here. And then questions, what are the fields that I want? See over here, full name is done, email is there. So name, okay, so name I want first name and last name, I want full name. Then I want phone number, then I want email address, then any other question that I want, I can use that. So I can add a question. So question could be anything like I don't have any particular which products you are interested in, or say education, which program you are interested, which course you are interested in. See, this is what it is. And then I can provide multiple choices, or yeah, multiple choices is the best option. So what I can do is I can select digital marketing course, then second one masters in applied digital marketing. I still want one more option. Okay, so it would be e-commerce plus digital marketing, and I still want to add some more, so I can add diploma in digital marketing. Okay, and if I want to add something more, then I can just add search engine optimization. So there are some people who just want to learn SEO, so that is also possible. So digital marketing, masters in applied digital marketing, e-commerce plus digital marketing, diploma in digital marketing, and search engine optimization. So now this is done. So okay, what happened? Okay, search engine optimization, so I want this to be last. Oops. Okay, okay, so this is done. Where is search engine optimization gone? Okay, yeah, it has come. So okay, so now this is the form name. Where is the form name? Okay, no problem. Yeah, and this is the privacy policy. I mean, that is very important nowadays, so I need to provide that privacy policy also. So this is the privacy policy URL, so that you can provide. And background image, if you want, you can put a background image also, so you can put use the recently used ones, so you can select any image if you want. Okay, so this is online training, and see, okay, let me select something else. Digital marketing. Okay, so this image can be used, this image can be used, business education can be used, or else I mean we can use anything else. So I think this would look good, so this image I'm using, and I'll click on select, and I'll click on save. So you can see this image has come up in the background, so like this it will come up. And now my form is ready, and okay, this is call to action URL. So call to action URL is say I can now over here, call to action URL is say like I can select anything, say like download or visit a website or something like that. So if I want them to redirect to my Play Store where they can download my app, that I can do. Then if I want them to send to the website, then I can send them to the website by providing them the store URL where they can browse all the courses that we have. So that URL I can put, and then load delivery options. So download and collect leads in add extension table. Okay, so we can download it. And over here, webhook integration. So this is something, if you are using a CRM software which say corporates would be using it, then they can integrate all the data in their CRM and they don't need to download the Excel file. So this part is optional because every individual does not have a CRM using. So that is what it is. And then okay, this is acknowledging, so that acknowledgement is done. And yeah, so this is what we have. So this is submission, so I can just click on
And
save.
where will
So
where
description, okay,
will
so
hello,
creative.
where will
Yeah,
these ads get displayed?
these ads will get displayed on various websites. It will get displayed on say YouTube, Gmail. So after, once the ad is completed, I will just show you how does the ad look and where will it appear. So last, like we saw the preview of the ad, the same way we will see the preview of this ad also. So here, the sent message. So
For this ad we need to have website, right?
thank you.
For this ad we need to
Sorry.
have website.
No, we don't need to have a website. I mean, this is the one of the best ad. I mean, if you don't have a website, I mean, you can just provide a blog URL, or say, I mean, you can provide your say that IndiaMart account. So that is fine. I mean, you can provide that, and because over here you are collecting information from the people. They, once they click on the ad, that form will come up. So they will be able to just fill up the data, and after that I mean it's okay. I mean over here you can just select none, so that people will not go to any particular website. So here we have just visit website, but if you don't have website, you just need to select none. So we got those three options, like say none. First one was none, second one was visit website, and third option was download. So there you can select none, so that is done, so you don't need to worry about it. Thank you for uh, thank you for showing your interest in digital marketing courses. Our team will get in touch with you. Okay, so this is exceeding. Thank you for showing interest in digital marketing courses. Okay, so I can just remove the rest of the things. Still it is more, so I can just say thank you. mm, okay, thank you, message sent. And over here description, mm, one of, okay, over here, okay, so this is what I've selected. So this is the confirmation message that people will get to know that okay, what they need to do. I mean, they just need to wait for the call or email. So that is done. See over here, we can select, see, visit website, none, visit website or download. So I mean, you can select none if you don't have a website, or else you can just click on visit website, and over here you can put the IndiaMart URL. So that is again not a problem. So now you can save this form. So now your form is done. So this is masters in this digital marketing, and 3 more over here. So I can preview. So let me just preview this. Thank you for showing interest in digital marketing course. One of our team members will contact you shortly with more information. Meanwhile, okay, so this one is the previous one. So I'll hide this. So not this one, I want this one. So I'll just select this. Okay, so this is done. So lead form, I want to see the lead form. So yes, first name, full name, email, phone number, which course you are interested in. See, now people have the choice of selecting which course they want. So now in a drop down it will come up. So over here, since this is just the information, so I won't get to see this because this is a preview, and then people can submit this form. So this is the extension, and say lead form and submission message. That's it. So now I can hide this, and I want to use this form. So in this form I will be collecting all the data. So that is what it is, and then I can click on save and continue. See, because this is lead generation form, wherein I want to collect the data from people. I want their name, email address, mobile number. So for that reason we are using this form. So this is leads search for digital marketing courses, and then over here I need to provide the keywords. So I can provide the best keywords, say like I can enter my page URL, so it will take up all the keywords from my website. So all the keywords will be populated over here. So now you can see all the keywords from my website have come up. So whenever people will search for all these keywords, say, my ad will come up. So this is what we are using, and then I can click on save and continue. And yes, now I need to create my ad. So till now we have created the campaign, the budget, and ad groups we have selected. We have selected the target audience and everything, and now it's time to create the ad. So in this ad groups we have also created the form also, where we are going to collect the ads, where we are going to collect all the data that people are going to fill up. So this is what we are going to do. So now I'm going to click on, say, final URL. So final URL would be this URL. So like this, all example ads we can see. So what type of examples we have, that we can see over here. These are the search ads. So our ads will come up over here. So this is the store URL. Now I need to add the headline. So headline like we did in our last ad, so I can use those ads. So I can use this masters in digital marketing, then diploma in digital marketing, then e-commerce plus digital marketing course. Okay, no, course will not work out. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3 headlines we have added. Path we don't want to add, or else if we want we can add store. Oh, store, oops, store, yeah, so the store will come up. And then over here I can provide a description. So description I can add excellent opportunity to kickstart your digital marketing courses and digital marketing. Okay, okay, so this is done. And then description 2. So this is description 2, so 96 characters or more. So yeah, okay, so this is fine. And then URL options, templates I'm not using, and then done and create next ad. So if you want to create multiple ads, so you can create from here, or else you can just say done, save and continue. So now ads are created, so that is also done. So now we need to review. So your campaign can't be served until you fix these issues. So if there is any issue, we need to fix it. So one ad has issues that will prevent it from showing on Google search, so we need to fix it. So what is the ad, what is the problem over here? So headline 2 is missing, that is what we can see. So over here headline value is required, so masters in digital marketing. Then over here we can just say that get your gets get international certification. Oops, get international certificate, get international certified. Okay, so this is done. So now I don't think there should be any issue, so save and continue. Okay, so now it is done. So this our ad is done, and now I can click on publish. So once I click on publish, the ad will go into review, and once the ad is gone in review, they will approve it, and then if there is no problem they will approve it, and then say our ad will start. So I'll just click on ad, and this is the lead search which we had created. So like this our ad will be seen. So, and when people will see, so your label, if you want to edit, then you can even edit, pause, remove, change ad, or change tracking templates or parameters or automated rules. That all things you want to remove, you can change it. So here you can change various your bids and everything that can be done. So this is what we see. And you can download the forms over here from extensions. You have all the options. So from here you can say download the forms that will come up. So here you will get the excel files that will be all the people who will be downloading the say adding the data and filling up the form from our ad. So it had told that you can download your files from ads and extensions. So from ads and extensions you can download the file. So get leads from the people who submit your form. So from here we will get the forms. Oh, here see, you can download the leads. So here once you click on download leads, you can select CSV or CSV for CRM. So I'll select CSV. So then I will get the Excel file which I can download. See, it will say over here. So I'll just save it on the desktop and I'll click on save. So now this lead form will open. So as such this will be blank because still the ad has not started, so like this it will be blank. So then we will get all the details like name, email address, phone number, and the courses that they are interested in. So that all information we will get, so then we can call them up and close the deal. So this is what we can use. So like this, from here we can download all the forms for different ads. So this is the ad that we have just created, lead form. So from here we can download. So for each and every ad we can say download it. So whatever we create, so this is the latest one, so this is getting displayed. So this is our ad. So we have two types of ad because we have added the call extension also. We had selected call extension also, so call extension will also get displayed over here. And when people will click on this ad, that form will come up and then people will fill the form, and once people fill up the form we can download it from here. So this is what we can do. So this is a lead search form. So this is what we can use. So now we can again go back to campaigns, and then we can create another ads. So I'll again select all campaigns, and then I can click on say campaigns and new campaign, and we had done leads, so I'll select leads, and instead of search now I will select display ad. So now the banners and images will get displayed on this. So over here again I will select standard display campaign, and over here I need to provide your website URL. So here you can provide your this India Mart URL, so that is okay. So that's not a problem. So I'll copy the store URL and it will paste over here, and then I'll click on continue. And over here I need to provide the campaign name. So this is leads display Helpopedia store. Okay, so we are promoting Helpopedia store. And location, I can provide any location that I want. So I'll provide Maharashtra and Gujarat and Rajasthan. So this time I'm providing 3 states. Location options, people who are in that location and people in your excluded locations are excluded. Okay, so that is fine. Languages, all languages I want. Over here conversions, so here again it is 380, so I'll uncheck this option, and over here I can select viewable impressions because what happens is that whether say people it is not required that people will click on our ad. Even if they see the ad, then say all the information is already provided in the image, then in that case you need to create your creatives, so that we can use. And these ads are very say cost effective, they are very cheap compared to conversion ads or lead ads. They are say very cheap, because over here people don't need to take any action, so for that reason it is very cheap. So whether people click on it or they don't click on it, say and your number of ads displayed will be more, because impressions is always on 1000 impression. That is also called as CPM, cost per milestone, and milestone is always 1000 impressions. So I mean, when 1000 times your ads will be shown, at that point of time some small amount will get deducted from your account. So that can be anything like say 50 cents or $1 or something like that. So that is very nominal compared to conversion, which is costing say 380 rupees. So I mean, we can use whatever option we want,
Which
whether we want conversion or viewable impression,
which
so
ad
that
is
can be done.
this?
So sorry, this is we have selected lead and display. See over here, leads display. So this is the ad. So here, say previously we had entered the text ad, now we are going to add the display ad, that is the banner ad. So like in sales and display we had selected the various banners and description headlines. Now over here for leads I will be doing the same thing. So that is what I'll be doing. So I'll select I'll uncheck this option, I don't want to set it manually. I'll just put how much amount I want to spend, that is 500 rupees, and then over here add group name. So add group name will be the same thing, so I can understand that okay, this is the same ad. And then over here I need to again select my target audience. So you can see all the ads are same. You have to whatever ad we are selecting, we have to select all the options are same. So most of the options will be same. So social media enthusiastic, technology, education, then educational, no. Okay, so internships, technology, media and entertainment, no. Digital marketing courses, yes. Online marketing, okay. No, this is not a course. Okay, marketing, e-commerce services, okay. Mm, okay, fine. So whatever options we have selected, I think it's okay. College going students, online classes, online courses, information technology courses, online on-site training courses, advanced degrees. Okay, so these all I have selected. I'll say done. And then over here demographics, so like what we selected last time, the same thing we will select. From 18 to 44 we'll select, and rest of them we can uncheck. So depending on what you are advertising, you can select the age factor of the products and services that your target audience is. Say suppose if your products are being used by say up till people of 65 or say 55 or 54, you can select that option also, or else you can keep checked all of them if all the people are using your products or services. Then parental status all, and household income all, so that is okay. Now see over here you have one more option. See content targeting, this is one of the best things. So first of all I'll just drag this to the maximum, and now over here content targeting. So content targeting is where you want to show your ads. So over here you have the control. You have three options. You can select either by keywords. Say like you want when people will search for a particular keywords, at that point of time your ads will be shown. Or you can select a particular topics, when people will search for various topics on websites and apps and videos, at that point of time your ads will come. Or else placement. Placement is the specific website, videos, channels or apps where you want your app to where you want your ads to come. So this is one of the best thing that you can do. So now I will give you an example. How does this work, placement? Say suppose I am a digital marketing trainer, so I want to collaborate with more institutes and colleges where I can get digital marketing students, or I can become a faculty in those colleges or institutes. So what I will do is I will select placement option, and there what I will do is I will select those websites or their YouTube videos or their YouTube channels, and I will put all those URLs and all the apps which are related to education. So I will search in Play Store all the URLs, and then I will add those URLs, so my ad will come up in those particular apps. So this is one of the best thing that we can do. So I have a choice that where will my ads come up. So I know that okay fine, otherwise it might come up anywhere, but this is something really very good option. So I'll select placement. So now in placements I can provide say I can provide websites. So if I put websites, then I can select website URLs. Then if I want YouTube channels or YouTube videos or apps or app categories, I can select. So now what I can do is say I can select anything, say from Google Play. So this comes under app categories, art and design, autos and vehicles, beauty and all these things, businesses and everything. So I can select education. So this is what I have selected, and then I want to enter multiple placements, so I'll click on this. So now in this I have already selected education, and now I will enter all the URLs where I want my ads to come. So what will I do? I will go to Google Play Store and say, yeah, over here I will click on apps, and then I will search for education. So then I'll press enter, and now I will see a lot of apps are there, or else I can search for my related say search, say like apps, and yeah, digital marketing. So now over here I can see various apps where people are studying. So now what I will do is I will open them in new tab, and I will see whether they are using ads or not. Now how to find out that whether these apps are having ads or not? So first of all, let me click on this, and over here you can see contain ads. So this is one of the best things, so I'll copy this URL, and I will paste it over here. So this is my first URL where I want my ad to come up. So then I'll close this. Now the next one over here, see contain ads. So this URL is also good, so I can use this. So this is my second app where I want my ads to come up. So then I'll close this. Then over here Google Primer. So Google, this is, since this is Google's own app, so over here they do not have any ads, so it is not fruitful to use this. I will be wasting money. Then learn all digital marketing, see over here contains ads, so yes, I want this, and I will put this URL over here. So my ad will come up in this app also when people are studying digital marketing tutorials. Then my ads will be seen, so then people can click on that. Then over here digital marketing 2020 contains ads, so yes, I will copy this and I will paste that URL also over here. So like this I have selected these apps. So I can even select some more apps. Let me just check, say like Udemy is something that people are using the most. So Udemy online, Udemy for business, Udemy free courses, Udemy for government. Okay, so now let me check whether these are having ads or not. So this is not having an ad, so I can close this. This also does not have any ad, and this is having Udemy free courses is having contains ad, so yes, I can use this. So this I will add it over here in my list. So I need to have many of them before I need to complete it. So okay, over here also it's not there. So then I will search for other one, course, COURSERA, Coursera. So Coursera online also is there, so let me check. Okay, these people also do not have ads, so okay, no problem. Then best online, okay, yeah, EDX online courses. Okay, these people also do not have ads, okay, no problem. LinkedIn learning, then I can just check various other options available where I can put my ads. Then LinkedIn over here also it's not there. Then if I'm not finding over there, then I need to search for the apps where people are there the most. So I'll search for Instagram. So I'll open Instagram and see whether they are having ads. See, yes, see contain ads, so my ads will appear on Instagram also, Instagram app. Then I can search for, say, See over here, all you can see the related ones also. Say, I mean, you can just check. If you do not know any of these apps which you haven't heard about previously, and you can see that okay, they are having more stars. So what you can do is you can just open this, and you can just see how many installations have been done for this app. So what you can do is you can scroll down, and you can see how many installs. So I mean, over here you can see it's more than a lakh of installs. So 10,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, so it is 10 lakhs, so more than 10 lakh plus. So yes, this is good, but we also need to see whether they are having ads or not. So okay, so this app is not having ads, so it's useless. So I mean, I cannot use this. Then I can search for Facebook, because people are there on Facebook also. So Facebook should have ads. Yes, see, contain ads. So I can use this Facebook URL, and I can add it over here also. So like this I can select various these are the apps where my ads will come up. So now what is the next step? The next step is to find the YouTube channel, so where I can post my ads. So now say uh, like I said that I want my ad to come up and I'm a digital marketing trainer, so I want to promote myself to all the institutes. So how will I promote my ad to various institutes? So over here I will search for all the colleges and institutes digital market YouTube channels. So if I know that okay, fine, Saint Xavier is having a YouTube channel, so I will select their channel URL and add it in the list. Or else I can just search for digital marketing, okay, marketing institutes. Digital marketing institutes. So here I can see okay, topmost digital marketing institutes in India. How to select digital marketing institutes? I need to select a particular say institute where I can post my content. So I just see Simply Learn is there, so I can just go to the Simply Learn. So I'll open their URL, and I'll find their channel URL. So this is not the channel URL, this is the video URL. So you can click on this. So over here you can see this youtube.com/channel and then this code. So that code is their channel ID. So I can copy this, and what I can do is I will go to my ads, and then I will paste the YouTube channel URL. So all my ad will come up in all the videos of this channel. If I want to place my ad in a particular video of their channel, say like I want my ad to come up in this video, so I can then copy this URL of this video, and I can just add that particular video. So like this, if they are an institute and they will see my ad, then they'll get to know that okay, fine, this is a digital marketing trainer, so we can hire him and we can get him as a faculty for our institute or college. So then I will get business. So like this I've got a lot of business from various institutes in Mumbai. So this is the best possible options. Then you want to know that where you can place your ad. So I can say write the websites URL, say like on Facebook also ads are coming up. So I can select websites, various websites. So now you know that okay, say Times of India, Hindustan Times, DNA, these all websites are having say great traffic, and people are visiting those websites regularly. Then other websites are like OLX and Quicker websites, so I can put their URLs also. So olx.in I can use. So this is the website where I can see various ads. So yeah, I mean this is the place where I can use. So I mean these see over here you can see ads by Google. So this is one of the best place. I can use I can place my Google ads over here in OLX. Then I can place my ads in Quicker. So I'll select Quicker. quicker.com. So yes, this is, see over here also, see close ad. So I can close this ad, and this all ads are coming from say Google. So just let me check. Yeah, over here you can see ads by Google. So quicker.com also is getting ads, so now my ad will come up on this website also. So I can have apps, I can have YouTube channels, I can have websites. So like this I can put websites also. So wherever Google ads are coming, say my ads, so this is the particular selection. If I don't use all these, then my ads will come up anywhere where Google thinks that the ads can appear. So I mean, whether it is related or not, so I am not sure. So for that reason, it is best that over here we are getting a choice where we can use our websites, YouTube channels, YouTube videos, apps and categories. We can select those. So that is what we have selected over here. And then target expansion, we have expanded to the maximum reach. So over here, say based on your target and settings, but not your budget or bid, approximate impressions would be 20 million plus. So that is what we can see over here. And from the estimated performance of 500 rupees per day, we would get approximately say 1.1 thousand to 4,200 clicks every day. So that is what we would be getting. Conversion and average cost per action is not decided, that would be decided once the ad starts. So that is what it is. And now over here, like we did all the images, headlines and descriptions that we need to do, so that we will select. So now my store URL has come up automatically. Now I can use my images and say logo. So I will click on recently used. So now I can see whatever I've used in the past ads, I can use them, or else I can upload from my PC, or I can scan a particular website, or I can use the, if I don't have any images or website, then I can use stock images, and I can use anything. So I can just search for digital marketing, and I press enter, and it will scan the internet, and it will find the various stock images which are there, which I can use for my ad. So even that is possible if I want. So that is there. So or else the best option is that you use your own creatives. That is the best option. So I will use this one as an image. So select one ratio, this is also one, select one ratio, then this is also one, select one ratio, then I'll use this one also image, so that is 1:1. Then I'll use this as a logo, and select this. Okay. Then maybe I can use something else. Okay, yes, I can use this, so I'll select this also. Then business education also I can use. So then I can use this email marketing, that is done. Then I can use this classroom also, so that also I can use. And now let me see, I can click on save, and okay, images are enough, so that is filled, and it is check mark. I can use the videos also, so I can use this recently used videos, so I can use this, or else I can use this one, and this one I can use, and any other videos if I want. Okay, that's fine. I mean, this time I'll use only 2 videos, so that's fine. And then I need to use headlines, 5 headlines I need to add, so 1 2 3 4 5, and 5 descriptions I need to add, so 1 2 3 4 5, and that's it. So yes, we'll start with the headlines. So yeah, headlines, masters and digital, okay, digital marketing courses. Okay, digital marketing courses, then masters in applied digital marketing, so that would be masters in digital marketing. Yep. Then headline would be best digital marketing courses, then diploma in digital marketing, then e-commerce plus digital marketing, Okay, then long headline. So long headline I can use this one. Okay, okay, then I need to use short description. So okay, so this are up till 90 characters, so up till 5 I need to use. So this is what I'll be using. Okay, up till proximity marketing. Okay, fine. Then 100% career oriented digital marketing courses. Okay, so yes, this would be second description. Then third description, exclusively designed digital marketing courses with 100% practical training. Okay, then SEO, SEO, mobile marketing, affiliate marketing, and proximity marketing. Okay, then one more description. Okay, so this all 5 description is done. Then business name you need to add, so I'll add the business name. Okay, then additional ad format, so that is automatic URL templates. I don't want to use more options. I can use call to action, I can use learn more or apply now, and if I want to use custom colors, so that custom colors I can use what is the main color and accent color. So I mean over here I can use, so I don't want this, cancel. Okay, I'll uncheck this option. So now I can click on create campaign. So this is done, so my ad is ready over here. You can see various ads are coming up, and yes, I will click on create campaign. So once the campaign is done, I get the confirmation and I can see what are the things that I have selected, and once everything is fine, you verify it, then you can click on continue to campaign. And over here now we can see our ad is being seen over here. So I can just see, okay, no, not over here, I need to select ads. So under ads and extension I'll go to ads, and from ads I can see my ad over here. So I'll click on this ad and I can preview my ad. So here you can see the ads that I've created. So the only difference between the previous ad that we had done similar like this, those were search ads. That is when people will search uh, with the help of various keywords. At that point of time, our ads will be displayed on various websites, and over here people do not need to click. I mean only the information will be displayed, and because these are all impression based ads, so only impression is counted. So that is fine. So I can just copy this link and close, and I'll just show you how the ads will look and at what places it will come up. So first of all, it will come up in worldwide web, all the websites of all the publishers websites. Say like my website is a publisher website, so that will come up. See over here, diploma in digital marketing, like this it will come up. Over here this will come up like this. So yeah, I mean various places it will come up. And this is website and apps. So we had selected website, so like OLX and Quicker we had selected, and apps we had selected, say 5 to 6 apps we had selected. And then on Google properties our ads will come up in say Gmail as well as in YouTube. See on Gmail it will come up like this, our ad will come up like this in Gmail, and this is how it will come up in YouTube. So here you can see our ad is coming up in YouTube. So that is display ad will be seen like this. So on all the websites, Gmail, and say YouTube, and various apps which we had selected of our choices. So over here we had all the choices where we wanted to put our ad, and YouTube channels also we had selected, YouTube video also we had selected, and yes, additional Gmail will be there. So I mean that is the additional thing that we can see. So this is on mobile devices how it will look, and if I click on this desktop, then on desktop it will look on desktops and laptops our ads will look like this. So this is how it will look. So yeah, so various ads of various formats, so 728 by 90 pixels, then this ad is there. So like this our ads would come up. So this is Gmail, and now I will click on website and apps, so it will look like this. On various apps and websites it will come up like this. So 420 by 120, then 160 by 600. So this is a vertical ad that will come up. This is a big ad, so this is 300 by 250, this is again 300 by 250, this is 728 by 920. So this is a horizontal ad which will come up. So like this various ads, say vertical ads, horizontal ads. So this is vertical ad, this is horizontal ad, and these are the square ads. 300 by 250, like this will ad will come. This is 480 by 120. So this is, I mean, yeah, like this ads will come up. So on desktops it will look like this, and on mobile devices it will look like this. That's it. So like this we can have various ads coming up. So yeah, so we have done these ads. Yeah, so we have done sales and lead ads, and we have done say display, and say we have done search and display ads. In the next session we will see more of the other ads, say like website traffic. We'll see the video ads and discovery ads we'll be seeing, and yes, of course, the app promotion ads we'll be seeing. So how to promote an app so that we can use. So I mean, yeah, so like this we will be doing this. So hopefully say if you do not have any questions, by next session we might complete this ads, so that can be done. So yeah, it's fine. So even if it takes more time, it's okay, because Google Ads is a very important module wherein you will be spending money over here. Because see, if it is free, then I can tell you that you can practice and you can work. But where money is involved, say you should not lose money, so you should study each and every aspect of the ad, and what type of ad you want to put, what is the budget. Because see, sometimes people might say that I want to place an ad, I do not have any problem of the budget, and if the ad continues, if the ad is say giving me good results, then I will continue with the ad. Then in that case you should think that what type of ad I should put. So over there the first thing should come to your mind, that I will not provide an expiry date of the ad, that start date and end date wherever we are putting, because the client is saying that if he gets results he will continue with the ad. So say if client wants to continue the ad, then you will not provide an end date, because if you provide an end date, then it's finished. Then at that point of time the ad will say stop, even though you have money in your account. But still so you need to know that okay, fine, I don't need to provide end date, so I can continue as long as I want, until I manually close or pause the ad. That is done. Then say some people might say that I want to do advertising, but say my budget is fixed budget, say I have only 5,000 or 10,000 budget for the ad, I cannot spend more than that. Then in that case say like till now we were say putting daily budget, what is the daily budget that you want to spend. So now say in the coming ads we would be also seeing one more parameter, wherein we can see that the total budget that you want to spend. See, there are two options. First is 500 rupees per day, which we had added. So now the client is having say 5,000 budget. So in that case, I cannot say that okay, I will be spending 500 rupees per day. Over there, I will just say that 5,000 is the total budget. Campaign budget. Campaign budget is 5,000. So, but that doesn't come up in all the ads. It comes up only in some of the ads. So in coming ads, when we get that option, I will explain you this particular thing. So like this we need to know each and everything. Say like what is the client's requirement, how long does the client want to run the ad, or say what is their budget, whether it is ongoing budget or it is a fixed budget that we have. So there are various factors before we select the right kind of ads. What is their product, then how do people search for those kind of products, or say it is just an awareness that they want this is something new product which people are not aware of. Then say we cannot select search ads, because say first of all, if the people are not knowing what type of ad is this, what type of product is this, it is something new product, then in that case how will people search for that product? Because if they do not know, then we need to provide display ads. Now in display ad also I cannot select conversion, because conversion is something where say people need to convert, but this is awareness ad, so I will provide impression based ads for the people who are doing the ads for the new products which they want to get people to know about their products and services. So like this there are lots and lots of parameters. Whenever you start an ad, you need to think about various things, that what is the budget, whether it is ongoing or a fixed budget, or say what is the type of product or services, then what kind of ad can be implemented over here, whether I can use search ads or display ads or a video ad, what ad will work the best. So depending on that you select the ad. So yes, of course this all comes with the experience by using different types of ads and practicing on them. So yes, otherwise sometimes the clients might say that okay fine, we want to do video ads, we have the creatives ready, so then it's okay, then you can use video ads or display ads, then it's okay. So then it's not a problem. So that's fine. So in the next session we will see some more ads, and if you have any questions you can note it down. If you have any questions for today, you can let me know,
No, no, I don't. No, no,
then
I
I
don't have any
can
questions.
let you know. Okay, fine. Then I will upload the videos for the last
And
session
I
and
guess
today's
previous
session.
few
So by
sessions
today
videos
it
is
will get
also
uploaded.
left, I guess.
I think maybe one or two sessions might have left. Rest I think I have uploaded. I'll just check and verify. So if any
Okay,
is
okay, yeah.
missing, I'll upload it today. Don't worry about that. I have all the
Okay,
recordings.
okay.
Fine, no
Thank you.
problem. Okay, chalo. Bye. See you. Yeah.